Hey everybody, we're going to look at the circular pattern tool, which is similar to a rectangular pattern tool. I'm going to go to my sketch tools, find circular pattern, and again, if I want it based on the center of my polygon here, then I'm going to want to choose the circle as my starting point. And you'll notice right now that it has 3 objects. I can change that to as many as I want to, like 8 for instance. All right, and right now it's trying to do a complete circle. All right, so it's all the way around. It has as many objects as I could have all the way around. I could try to bend it back and only go within like 180 degrees, and then I could actually mark that as 180. All right. Or I could drag that and get all the way to the max right there. All right, so there's my max. So now I'm just going to tap off to the side. Now you'll notice that this thing right here is not constrained yet to a dimension, so I could actually make that radius bigger or smaller, or I could move that point. That's not doing anything. Let's see if I do this one. That's not doing anything either. All right, so I need to actually make that radius bigger. So if I want to, oh, that's my 8 sides. Sorry, I was wondering why it said 6 there. If I want to make that radius bigger, I'm going to actually have to tap that, and I'm going to have to do a dimension on that. All right, so I'm going to dimension that out to be 3 inches. Now my circular pattern goes 3 inches, and you notice that my because my hexagons were not defined as far as their size, then I actually was able, it basically didn't change anything there. So if I want to dimension one of the hexagons, I would actually have to dimension the diameter of the object that it's in there. Right now it's at 2.446. If I make that 1.5, then we'll notice a change in the size, but the pattern stays circular.